Though river waters are not classified as intended for human use, they have to respect some acceptable limits as to microbiological parameters. Especially fecal or pathogenic microorganisms must be absent. The determination of total bacterial charge, TBC, is the first microbiological analysis to be carried out on a water sample. It consists in a counting of total bacteria that can be differentiated according to their animal or telluric origin by different incubation and their counting on the petri dish.
1 milliliter of sample is placed in a petri dish and 20 milliliters of cultural medium are added. It has been previously prepared and sterilized in a test tube, dissolved at a temperature not over 45 degrees centigrade to avoid the death of microorganisms. The mixture is shaken with rotational movements and left for solidification with its cover slightly open to prevent condensation. The dish containing the medium for the growth of animal origin bacteria is incubated at 36 degrees centigrade for 48 hours. The other one containing telluric origin bacteria at a temperature of 22 degrees centigrade for 72 hours. They are both placed upside to prevent the drying of the media. Then the yellowish white strains are counted after their development, due to the proper equipment.
The limits imposed by EEC are 10 UFC milliliters for animal origin bacteria, 100 UFC milliliters for telluric origin bacteria. UFC are the units developing the strain.